Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting returns to the automotive world, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Yes, you heard that right. The iconic classic coupe from the mid-20th century has made a bold comeback, blending vintage charm with modern technology. Buckle up because we're about to explore everything this car has to offer, from its sleek design to its performance and price. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Karmann Ghia pays tribute to the original with a curvaceous silhouette that evokes the romantic lines of the 1950s and 60s models. Volkswagen has nailed the balance between retro and contemporary. The front end sports a minimalist grille with LED headlamps that resemble the rounded look of the original's sealed beam units. The fenders gently bulge over the wheels, giving it that signature sculpted look, while the rear ends with a ducktail spoiler and wraparound taillights. Chrome trim accents the door handles, window surrounds, and bumpers, another nod to the classic styling cues. But don't be fooled by the vintage appeal. This body is entirely modern, with a lightweight aluminum chassis and aerodynamic enhancements that help improve efficiency and handling. Moving inside, the Karmann Ghia continues to impress. The cabin is a masterclass in retro modern design. Soft leather upholstery wraps around low-slung bucket seats, which are both heated and ventilated. A two-tone dashboard mixes digital sophistication with analog touches. There's a fully customizable 12-inch digital gauge cluster, but it's framed by circular bezels that resemble the original instrument panel. The infotainment system is seamlessly embedded in the dash with a 10.5-inch touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus over-the-air software updates. Ambient lighting with customizable colors wraps subtly around the cabin, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system ensures that every drive feels like an event. Performance is where the 2026 Karmann Ghia really surprises. Under the hood, or rather under the rear deck, yes, it's a rear-engine setup again, you'll find two options. The base model is an all-electric drivetrain with a single rear-mounted motor producing 210 horsepower and 250 lb-ft of torque. It's quick off the line, hitting 0 to 60 in about 6.1 seconds. And thanks to a 65 kWh battery pack, it offers a range of around 270 miles. For those craving more thrill, the GT trim adds a dual motor setup with all-wheel drive, bumping power to 320 horsepower, and cutting the 0 to 60 time to just 4.5 seconds. The regenerative braking system is smooth and adjustable, giving you full control over the driving dynamics. Despite being an EV, the Karmann Ghia GT includes artificial sound enhancement to recreate the throaty growl of classic flat-4 engines, an optional but nostalgic feature that fans of the original will appreciate. When it comes to ride quality, the new Ghia is well balanced. Adaptive suspension smooths out bumps while still offering responsive steering and tight handling in corners. It's not trying to be a track weapon, but it does aim to be one of the most fun and stylish cars to drive in the electric era. Pricing is competitive for what you're getting. The base model starts at around $38,000, making it a compelling option in the premium EV coupe market. The GT trim, with all-wheel drive and more power, comes in at around $48,000. Optional features like the panoramic glass roof, upgraded wheels, and heritage interior package can push the price up past $55,000, but even fully loaded, it remains an affordable indulgence compared to luxury sports EVs. So is the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia worth the hype? Absolutely. It's a beautiful fusion of classic design and cutting-edge technology. For fans of the original, this is a loving homage. For newcomers, it's a chance to own a piece of automotive history reimagined for the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What do you think of the new Ghia? Would you take this over something like a Tesla Model 3 or a Polestar 2? Let me know. See you in the next video.